They were once legends, hidden in the shadows of our world, creatures so rare most people never knew they were real. But now they are slipping away, not into myth, but into extinction. Deep in the heart of a rapidly vanishing forest, a pangolin shuffled through the underbrush under cover of night. Its armor-like scales glinted in the moonlight as it searched for ants, unaware that it was one of the last of its kind. Nearby, a hidden stream wound through the jungle. Beneath the cool water's surface, an axolotl hovered gently. With its delicate fringed gills and permanent smile, it looked like a creature from a forgotten fairy tale. In the distance, high in the misty Annamite mountains, a Saola stood motionless beneath the trees. So rarely seen, it was called the Asian unicorn by villagers, a whisper of a creature that many had never witnessed with their own eyes. As thunder rolled in the distance, a massive shape stirred beneath a river rock. The giant Chinese salamander, motionless for hours, opened its mouth and swallowed a passing fish. It had survived for millions of years, yet now faced extinction from human hunger and neglect. Far to the west, the sea churned softly under the light of dawn. A vaquita, the tiniest porpoise on Earth, surfaced briefly. Its black-ringed eyes scanned the horizon as if searching for its kin. There were fewer than 10 left. It dove again in silence. Back on land, nestled in the eastern Himalayas, a red panda napped in the crook of a tree. Its striped tail curled protectively around its body, camouflaging it against the canopy. Poachers and loggers had chased many from their homes. In the cliffs of Morocco, a small flock of northern bald ibis screeched into the sky. With their bald red heads and iridescent feathers, they looked prehistoric. Long ago they had been sacred. Now they were endangered ghosts of history. Deep in a tree hollow, glowing faintly in the fading twilight, a gouty sapphire ornamental tarantula emerged. Its blue exoskeleton shimmered like a gemstone. Coveted by collectors, it lived in only a few forest patches in India. Meanwhile, in a muddy riverbank near the Yangtze, the last known female Yangtze giant soft-shell turtle rested under a log. For years, conservationists had searched for a mate. She waited still. Above the rainforest floor in Papua New Guinea, a tree kangaroo clambered through the branches with surprising agility. Unlike its ground-dwelling cousins, it lived a quiet life among the leaves, though bulldozers often came too close. One by one, these 10 creatures faced the same enemy: humanity's hunger for more. Forests fell, rivers grew toxic, oceans filled with nets. Yet not all was lost. In the heart of the city, a little girl named Maya read about the axolotl in a book. She was fascinated by its ability to regenerate, to endure. "Why are they disappearing?" she asked. Her father, a conservation biologist, smiled sadly. Because people forgot they mattered. That night, Maya dreamed of the red panda tumbling playfully in snow, of the pangolin curling into a ball to escape invisible poachers, of the vaquita swimming endlessly through silent, empty seas. She saw the northern bald ibis flying over deserts once rich with water, and the tree kangaroo leaping from branch to branch, searching for home. When she woke, she made a promise to tell their stories, to make people care. Years passed. Maya grew. She became a wildlife filmmaker, traveling the world, searching for these lost creatures. She was one of the last to film the Saola, hidden in the mists as it stood poised between myth and memory. In a lab in China, scientists watched over the last pair of Yangtze giant soft-shell turtles, hoping for a miracle. At a sanctuary in India, rangers released a young gouty sapphire tarantula back into the wild, its habitat finally protected. In Mexico, locals transformed canals into axolotl havens, watched over by murals and stories told to children. The world changed, little by little, not fast enough for some, but for others, for the pangolin, the ibis, the panda, it was just enough. And somewhere beneath the forest moonlight, the creatures stirred again, not as ghosts or myths, but as survivors. And this time, someone was watching.